of them's all dirty. Today's one lens is all dirty. Crazy. I mean, you can see the angle, and the waves are coming in like crazy. I'm gonna record this because this is treacherous. It's an extreme walking day where I could so fucking easily fall down, hurt myself, a piece of coral. Beautiful day today, weather-wise. Like 78. Feels so comfortable. What's up, buddy? Good? Good? Why are you making so much noise? Yeah, it's coming in like crazy, and then the seagrass, I walked a little bit this way, it was nothing, and now it's like 10 times more. This big guy, holy shit. What's up, big guy? You're good. I'm just walking that way. Oh! Dang. Wow, it's coming in aggressive. That's why I put these on now. And look at this. As we speak, it's coming in. Hey, what's up, buddy? What's up, big guy? You're good. You're good. Walking where the seagulls walked. Ooh, 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 ooh. Seen a wave splash a seagull earlier. Big one too, big seagull. Got splashed by a wave. It was crazy. That was a first. Hey, a lot of wildlife out here. That's why I love walking at the beach. It's a formula. I talk about it with my friends, clients. I tell them it's the sun, the ocean, the sand, the seagulls, and the sound of the ocean too. Something about the sound of the ocean. I just figured that fourth part out. Main part: sun, ocean, sand, and the sound of the ocean, but also the seagulls. Talking to seagulls makes me happy, and makes it so I can walk here for hours. Or any place else, I wouldn't want to walk for more than probably an hour. Anywhere else, but at the beach, 5 hours plus I've done more than once. 10.6 miles, my record. 27,000 plus steps is my record. Today I'll probably do about 8 miles, 7 or 8, 17, 18,000 steps. And that's all I need. That's plenty for me. I'm not out here counting steps. I'm not here to enjoy myself and test myself. And this walk is extreme because of the angle. I mean, I could so easily fall down if I didn't have good balance and I wasn't paying attention to what I'm doing. Hyper alert, hyper focused, because the bottom of my shoes, there's nothing there. It's totally smooth. I could slip so easily, and I have almost slipped many times, but I luckily catch myself. Or just one shoe started slipping, but not both, and that's what saved me from falling so far. Ever. It happened at any moment, so I'm trying to be super careful. Oh, it's nice. stop and get a little sun. I love to do that. Especially when it's 78 degrees, you could stand right in this direct sun and you're not going to sweat, you're not going to get hot. So it's amazing. I love this time of year. November, December, January, February. Now this piece of coral just got out of the water. What's that? Is that piece of, yeah. Okay, so I'm going to put this back. Oh! Now he's back. Back where he belongs. I do that all the time, and the garbage, I like to kick the fuck away. I don't want to see it going in the ocean. I want him to see it not back, not go in there. Wow. Man, it's coming in aggressive. Unpredictable. That's the ocean. That's life too. Aggressive and unpredictable sometimes. Unpredictable a lot. Look at that. Clouds. And the clouds too, in the sky. I like the pool. I love the beach. Spent a lot of time at the pool this summer. And did a lot of swimming, which was great. I'm a better swimmer now than I've ever been, by far. It's a little hot at the beach, and then there's other reasons too. So I took a few months off, and I just started coming back again, not even a month ago. And it was the perfect weather time to come back. Perfect. Just splashed it all over me. But I missed it for sure. One of the best days of my life have been walking out on the beach. This very beach. Best days of my life. Best feelings of my life. Right here. But sometimes you need to take a break from stuff you love, and you appreciate it even more when you get back to it. But I didn't sit home. I went to the pool. I swam. I walked around the neighborhood, which I wasn't a big fan of walking around the neighborhood. The beach. And I live in a beautiful neighborhood, but it's the beach. Nothing compares to it for me. I see some people don't like the beach. That's whatever. But I can't see how you don't like the beach. Because there's so much here. It's a happy place for most people. This steel? Nope, that's a net. Looks like steel. Not. These little guys love the beach. Kids love the beach. They go nuts for the beach, and kids hate everything. They love the beach. And that's something you'll love your whole life. I talked about that before. If you love the beach as a child, there's very few things you'll love your entire life. They're thoroughly the same. And I love the beach since I was a little kid till today. And any kid that loves the beach is probably going to love it their whole life too, just like I do. Wow. Nice leg workout today, holy shit. At this angle, it's a hell of a workout on my legs, man. Woo! Never ends. It just goes on and on. Can't see the end. That's wild. Like I said, the sound of the ocean does something. It's a relaxation to me, calming effect.